So today I went to try to open up my gate, and on this Apollo gate opener, I wanted to figure out what was going on. So I wanted to see if I had power. Obviously I do. This is the Apollo 1050 board, and what it says here is that there's been an overload. So I'm going to show you how to reset the board so that we can continue to use this operator. It's very important to understand why this happened. In my case, I have a very large door, and there's a lot of wind that hits on that door, so I'm gonna have to adjust some settings so that when it does see that there's pressure on the motors, that it doesn't shut it off. So let me get to the fix. So with the cover off, and let me get you a little bigger view here of the opener itself. I removed the cover, which is right here. There's 3 screws that hold it on. And if we come down here, you can see there's a button right here that says reset hard shutdown. So I'm gonna press that. And I'm gonna hold it, oops. Okay. And then we're gonna let it restart. So to restart it, you just press it one more time. Now it shows that the gate is closed. Everything appears to be okay. So let's get out our handy dandy remote and let's see if this thing works now. And it does. Okay, so that's your fix for if it gets stopped. Regarding getting it to run again, just make sure that you go ahead and fix whatever the issue is. When I went to open up the gate after I fixed the error, I had the lock on the gate and put it into an overload on the motors, and an alarm started going off. So what you have to do to remedy that is go to your hard shutdown and shut it all the way down. Then come over to here, this is your other power, press that and turn it off and give it about, I don't know, say 30 seconds. Then turn this back on. And I believe this turns right back on itself. If not, just press this button one more time and it will clear that error. And then obviously make sure that you unlock your gate and then you can try your remote again, and you should be good to go. So we're gonna put the cover back on. I'll show you how to do that. The cover just slides up underneath here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So on mine I have kind of a little bit of a lip here, so I will attempt to get it under the, okay, oops, there we go. Get it under the lip. And then up here, I have to push down, push down slightly, I think. Okay. And then there's 3 screws that go into it. So you have one here, you have one there, and you have one here. So all I'm gonna do is put in the screws. Here's one of them. They're super easy to come out and give you access to your control panel if need be. Perfect, works great.